Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Ranjiraj and you're streaming on the Study Beast. So in today's video, we're gonna see what is Poisson distribution, a few concepts, and like in other videos, we'll be solving a problem based on these concepts. So let's get started. So first of all, now Poisson distribution is an approximation of the binomial distribution. Now I haven't made any videos for binomial distribution, but in my successive videos, I'll make a video on binomial distribution also, and we'll also solve a problem based on binomial distribution. Now for the time being, you just understand that Poisson distribution is an approximation of the binomial distribution. Now here the main point is that the success rate of binomial distribution is much greater than the success rate of Poisson distribution. This means that now these kinds of problems while solving, you will get not an integer value but a floating point value. Now the rounding of errors is much greater in Poisson distribution as compared to binomial distribution, and so we get an more approximate answer. And so here it is said that it's an approximation of binomial distribution, means binomial distribution would provide a more clear picture, or it would provide a more nearest solution as compared to Poisson distribution. Next, we have the small f of x, that is the function which says that e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon x factorial. Now here lambda is the mean and the variance also remains the same for this, that is e of x is equal to v of x is equal to lambda, and this x is the probability which ranges from 0, 1, 2 up till n, and it's 0 otherwise. Next we have the CD, that is the cumulative distribution function for solving this, and it is f of x is equal to summation x is equal to 0 to n e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon x factorial. So this is the formula that we are going to solve or implement in our problem. Next we have this mean and variance both are same as lambda. Now this was a small concept, the functions and the mean variance for Poisson distribution. Now we will see how to solve a problem based on the Poisson distribution with this data. Now the problem says that in a mass production of razor blades, the probability of any blade to be defective is 1 upon 200. The blades are supplied in packets containing 6. Use Poisson distribution to calculate the approximate number of packets containing these three are the conditions. Now in this, for mainly Poisson binomial distribution and for geometric distribution, there are two parameters, that is P and Q. Now these two parameters mean that P is the success rate and Q is the failure rate. So these two parameters will consider while solving this kind of problem. So it will not be given directly, but you just have to estimate how many of like what is given, that is P or Q is given in the problem. So in this, as you can see, probability of any blade to be defective. They are asked for defective. In the question also they have asked for defective. In the problem also, it is said that one defective blade, you have to find the probability for one defective blade, no defective blades, two defective blades. Now from this you can estimate that there is no, like, you can consider any value. So they just have to find the number of defective blades in each of the case, and so we'll take the value of, or we take P as the success rate, means they want it to be defective, they want to find the number of defective and not the proper ones, and so here the success rate would be P and not Q. If there was two of the conditions, like defective blades was also there, proper blades also was there, so in that case we would consider P and Q and would differentiate for solving this problem. So that's clear that we have to take P in this problem. So let's get started, let's do it. So for the first case, you have to consider one defective blades. So before that, you have this P, that is to be defective is 1 by 200. So P will be 1 by 200, and you have uh, mass production of razor blades, probability of any blade to be defective is this much, containing 6. So there are in a packet of razor blades there are 6 number of such blades, so n would be 6 in this case, and so you can find the mean. There is another formula for mean, that is n into p. You can multiply n and p and get the values for this, that is it would be 6 divided by 200, which comes out to be 0.03. So this is our mean for calculating the further problems. So first of all, you have to find the probability that approximate number of packets containing one defective blitz. So probability of x is equal to 1, that is exactly one defective blitz. So for that you have the formula e raised to minus lambda raised to x upon x factorial. So it follows this. So when you put the values, that is e raised to minus lambda, that is e raised to minus 1, lambda raised to x, your lambda, this is lambda, that is 0.03 raised to your x is 1, this is e raised to minus lambda, so minus 0.03 upon x factorial, that is 1 factorial. So when you solve this, you get the answer as 0.03. So for one defective blitz, the probability would be 0.03. Next we have to find no defective blades, that is p of x is equal to 0. For that same formula, e raised to minus lambda 0.03, lambda raised to x 0.03 raised to 0 divided by 0 factorial, and this value comes out to be 0.97. That's simple. Next you have to find two defective blades in a consignment of 2000 packets. So probability of x is equal to 2. So e raised to minus 0.03, 0.03 raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial, and you get some value. That value you have to multiply with this 2000, since they have asked for the number of packets, not in one packet. And so after you solve this, you get the value as 0.873. So these are all the values for this given conditions, and so we solved all these three conditions using the Poisson distribution. So this was all about the Poisson distribution simulation modeling. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.